Use all that runway, huh?
All of it.
Oh, she quick. Talking about you been flying in a while. Come on.
Sounded good, didn't it?
Yeah, it did. But as they say, when you see BS, you know, that was a BS.
Yeah, see, you gotta be looking out for these birds.
Bird strike.
Yeah, I see that bird. I got nervous in the motherfucker.
Mid-air collision with a bird. That's what we're talking about. If you want to see it, check my YouTube channel out.
I'm gonna have to go look, cause yeah, that threw me up, bro. Cause I'm like, how can a bird do that to a? But yeah, I guess he can.
Yeah. You hit him hard enough, fast enough.
I'll get down. I know. I'm coming.
People worrying about the bird. They ain't even talking about the airplane, which was a couple $100.
Yeah, exactly.
Oh, the poor bird's gone.
Hey, what about the money you don't spend?
Yeah, $500, $600 on the airplane. That ain't including the battery and all the electronics. Woo, nicely done. Uh-oh. In the grass, that's all right. That's all right.
Hey, that's 5 months of not flying.
5 months. Came in a little hot, but hey.
Oh, that's all the time.
Oh, it's all the
That's
time?
the only way I know how to land.
Oh, okay. But hey, it's in one piece, and it gets to fly again. We the Florida boys. We fly right, and we go home. That plane's gonna go home, and he gonna fly it again. All right, guys. If you like this, please hit that subscribe button. Let me know that you like these films, and hit that bell notification so that way you get notified when I have more videos, and there will be a lot more videos to come. So as always, again, I shall see you on the flight line. I'm Mr. Fly Right. We all the Fly Right boys. We fly right, we go home, and I shall see you on the flight line. God bless. Peace out. Houston, Texas. Tom Bass Park, flying field. A little wet outside on this rainy Sunday afternoon, but that's all right. That's all right. And we have Mr. Pat. He's finna get ready to come in. Let's get a good look at that jet. All right, guys. Peace out and God bless.